I'm Cher Johnston. Welcome to Take a Stitch Tuesday. Today's video, we're going to do chain stitch. So I'm going to come up, I'm going to go back in close to where that thread comes out. I'm going to wrap it around to make a loop. Don't pull too tight. Now we're going to come back in right next to that stitch. Come out one stitch length away. Wrap the thread around that needle and pull through. Don't pull too tight. Again, put the thread down, the needle down, wrap. Now when I get to the end of my stitching, I'm just going to go through to the back, tacking that stitch down. And there's your chain stitch.